Students, in our today's business presentation and language lab class, we will learn about role play. So, what is the definition of role play? Basically, role play is an educational technique in which people spontaneously act out problems of human relations and analyze the enactment with the help of other role players and observers. Now, it is the form of unrehearsed drama in which members of group assume the roles of principal characters in the problem under the discussion. It makes possible the maximum participant of a group through acting out an example of some ideas or problems. Now coming to the role play versus drama. Drama is basically a type of play to be performed by an actor on stage, radio or television. A play that is highly emotional, tragic or turbulent. And besides drama, role play is basically the act of imitating the character and behavior of someone who is different from yourself. For example, as a training experience or a training exercises or in language learning. That is the difference between drama and role play. So now coming to value of role play. So first, the value of role play is the actor really tries to feel the part of character and enjoyed by the people who do it and doesn't need equipments. It involves a group through a participation, arouse interest in a problem, makes a problem seem real to a group and helps to understand the point of view. Others are, it also trains leadership skill. The student not only hears about a problem or tells about it, but he lives through it, helps to develop new skills for dealing with problems in human relations. And it is the way of presenting human relations problems because the student can experiment with behavior, make mistakes and try new skill without chancing the hard that experimentation in real life situation may involve. So now come the principles as guides to the use of role playing. So the principles are a successful role play requires a careful definition of the goals and objectives, selection of the characters according to enthusiasm, sincerity and willingness of the players, and it should not be rehearsed. It should be stimulant to thinking. It can be flexible. It can be brief within 15 minutes. Analyze and evolution immediately following role playing. Now the steps of role playing. Number 1 is selection of a problem. Number 2 is construction of role play situation. Number 3 is casting the players. Number 4 is briefing. Number 5 is role playing action. Number 6 is discussion and analysis of action. And number 7 and final is evolution. Now we will come to the each steps. So number 1 is identifying a problem or selection of a problem. Means you have to decide exactly what you want or the group to learn from the episode. Number 2 is construction of role play situation. In this kind of steps, you have to design the situation to fit the objectives they want to achieve. Number 3 is casting the players. Here you have to sketch out clearly the type of people involved. Number 4 is briefing. Briefing in this kind, you have to talk about the objectives of the role playing during the presentation and explain the skills and insights the activity hopes to acquire. Now coming to number 5 is role playing action. In this section, the play throughout and is supposed to be the most difficult steps. Number 6 is a discussion and analysis of action. In this step, you requirements in the analysis portion, what happened, why did it happen that way, or what are the feelings and motives that involves in the role playing, what variations would have produced other results, and lastly the evolution. In the evolution section you have to give every details and everything's in brief. So basically discussion and analysis of action means analyzing an evolution process comes to the end of the role playing. So thank you very much, and please go through the assignments given under these materials. Thank you.